residents. Today I'm going to show you how to participate in the relocated student room selection process. Relocated student room selection is available to students who were notified by the Office of Residence Life that their current room is not available for the homesteading process. Relocated student room selection allows you to select the same type of room you currently live in, but in a different location on campus prior to other students getting access to the room selection process. Please note, if you do not want to select the same room type you are currently living in for next semester, you cannot use this priority relocated process. You will have to participate in the general selection process based on your current class standing. To take advantage of your relocated status, you must first pay the required housing deposit and then update your online housing application. Please remember, if you are living in a multiple occupancy room, all rooms must be filled to capacity in order to select your room. On the designated day for relocated student room selection, you will need to access your portal at my.hofstra.edu, then click on Menu, Student Services, Residence Life menu, and finally, General Selection Process. A screen will open up and indicate that you are participating in the general selection process. Please be sure the process is for the academic term in which you're applying for. You will see the room type you requested on your housing application listed here. Please note, during the relocated room selection, it will show you the same room type you're currently living in. If you requested to live with a particular roommate, that information will be listed here as well. If you no longer want the room type you are currently living in, you will need to exit out of the relocated student room selection process and go back into your housing application and update it for the room type you want, and then participate in the general selection process at your specified time based on your current class standing. Below the room type you requested, you will see a list of available sites. This will show you a live list of all available sites that have your room type remaining. You will then be able to view a live list of rooms that match your room type preferences. Once you have selected your room, hit Submit. Please keep in mind you will no longer be able to change your preferences or participate in the general selection process for the upcoming year once you hit the Submit button. You will now receive a general selection process receipt indicating you successfully assigned a room for yourself and your selected roommates for the upcoming academic year. In addition, your housing confirmation email will be emailed to your Hofstra Pride account immediately upon selecting your room. Please be sure to check your Hofstra Pride account for your email.